Ace Marcus. Happy 7th birthday, anak. Napakaswerte namin at binigay ka sa amin bilang aming panganay na anak.
You are a blessing to us. Thankful kami kay God kasi binigay ka niya sa amin.
Which is our privilege to guide you and support you sa lahat ng iyong mga pangarap.
Nakikita namin lahat ng pagsusumikap mo and we are always proud of you, anak. Palagi mong iisipin na wag kang susuko sa mga bagay na gusto mong makuha. Sabi nga namin, always try and never give up.
I wish that all your dreams, lahat ng pagsisikap mo ay iyong makamit. At syempre, always stay humble and be sweet sa lahat ng iyong mga kaibigan, lalong-lalo na sa iyong mga magulang sa amin.
At ang wish ko para sa'yo ngayong birthday mo is maging happy ka, healthy. Salamat sa pagpapasaya sa amin, sa sarili mong paraan, sa pagiging isang masunurin, mapagmahal, malambing at maalalahanin na anak. Ipagpatuloy mo nawa yan, anak, hanggang sa lumaki ka.
Be a good boy as you are. Laging mag-pray every day. God bless, Apo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Apo. May the good health for you.
Tinuturing ko siya na kapatid kasi siya yung firstborn ng ate ko. So, love na love kita, Ace. And sana maging successful ka pa in the future. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Love you.
Inihanda namin ito, pinrovide namin ito para sa iyo. So, just enjoy it and God bless you always.
Let's pack a bag and follow the sun. Kick off our shoes and have some fun.
37 is such a great milestone, for you are growing braver, smarter, and kinder every day. Continue shining bright like the superstar you are as Marcus, and wishing you good health, and happy birthday and God bless.
So and I won't let this moment pass us by, pass us by. I won't let this moment pass us by.
I wish that you will be healthy, bubbly, and smart. And thank you for inviting me. Thank you. Happy birthday!
Lahat ng talent ay nasa iyo na, no? At yung mas smart, no? Habang ikaw ay lumalaki.
Thank you for bringing so much joy and happiness to our family. Wish ko na lagi kang healthy and happy.
Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ace!
Happy birthday, Ace Marcus!
Yay! Happy birthday, Ace
love you.
Enjoy your day.
Won't let this moment pass us by.
At hiling ko na lumaki kang mabait at masayahin. Pagbutihin mo pa yung pag-aaral. Ha? And happy birthday to you.
At syempre, yung pagsunod sa magulang. And I wish din na maging pastor ka na. You want to become a pastor? Yes.
Cause you and I, oh yeah.
There's no doubt that when God sent you here on earth from heaven, He has given joy and pride not only to your family, but to all of us here. You're so talented, and you have all the qualities that every parent would love to have.
Moment pass us by. Won't let this moment pass us by.